You guys, let's talk about this. This money is sweet. It is not only sweet, but it is hopeful. It is not only hopeful, it is I don't know, it's amazing. Seriously, it's amazing. If you know you have the two things, the smartphone, you have social media platforms, now only social media platforms. This is the money that I withdrew in my last payments. It was so amazing. So I had these friends of mine at work. They were like, "Whoa, Ime, what is this?" I say, "Yeah, this is it. What do you think it is?" It is what it is. This is what I said. It is what it is. And there's a way you feel excited. There's a way you feel so okay. You people, if you know you've been watching the market show for all this long, whether a day or if you're just watching me, you with your smartphone and those social media platforms that you're watching me on, you're always on, they are wonderful. Trust me, they will give you a living. Trust me, they will pay you bills. However, a big disclaimer, I'm not saying that the moment you start today, you're going to be a giant, you're going to buy a car of your dreams, you're going to have a life that you want. No, this is not what I'm saying. This is an educational video. I've been working on these streets for now 5 years, but I started like you. But I wasn't doubtful. I knew what I wanted. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This video is just to encourage you. I know there are some people who to meet motivation speakers, to meet people who can say you will do it, yes it works. No, me, I'm not going to say that, but I'll say this is I'm giving you the tips that have worked for me. They can work for you. So what I always encourage people is, do you have something that is bigger than $100, $200, $300, $400? Do you think that money can add something on you? If your answer is yes, and you're always on social media platform, you're always on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, you're scrolling, you're consuming, Immaculate Show is here for you. So what I need you to do, I need you to know and trust me that there is money. However, it's like any bigger passive income project. You have to work. You have to focus. You don't wait. No, you keep watching. And you of course, imagine you waiting for money from the ATM. It will not come like that. You keep watching. You don't wait. You do. So now, you guys, let me give you my beautiful story of how I always earn my money from Facebook and YouTube. Majorly, those are the biggest paying platform that pays me. I get from these two platforms. What I do educational content. I bring for you, and whatever I bring what has worked for me, because they will work for you. By the way, no one trained me, no, but I watched, I became focused, and I'm still focused. So every morning I'm there to do it. You see this video? I was a bit late. To do it, but when I woke up I said, no, I had a schedule to do a video, okay? So as I rush to go to work, I have to make sure that I tell my people on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube that there is money and it's enjoying. It will not be today. You people don't fail to make money from this street. I can say it over and over again. So what do I do to get money? I know I'm delaying you and I'm also delaying myself. 1, post. 2, post. 3, post. 4, post. 5, post. 6, post. 7, post. 8, post. 9, post. 10, post. Don't give up. The results might be there or might not be there. What you did, you change the strategy. You learn and relearn. The money is in abundance. Okay? So let me see you. Just come to Facebook, YouTube and learn more. Okay?